Good morning and welcome back to a new vlog. Today Steve and I will be transiting to Boracay, starting out at our friend Vin's home where he's prepared us a Filipino breakfast. Woo!
After a delicious Filipino breakfast, now Vin is taking us to the bus terminal where we can catch one of those, riding it all the way to Caticlan, which should be around 5-6 hours. And then from there we can take a short little boat to get to the island of Boracay. Right. See ya. See ya. Bye Vin, thank you for hosting us.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. You guys have a good trip, okay?
Thank you.
Bye.
Alright, so we just jumped on the bus. And when you get on a bus here in the Philippines, they typically give you tickets that look like this. First they'll ask you where you're going, and we said Caticlan. They give you tickets that look like this. At first it can be confusing if you've never seen this before, but it's very easy to read. Up top is the numbers of the price, and down below is the date. So if you're looking to see how much it costs, just look at the little clicks here. This one you can see says 313, so I'm pretty sure that means 313 pesos for each ticket. Alright, well we just got off the bus here in Caticlan. Now I'm going to take you through the whole process of how we can get to Boracay. So the bus just dropped itself over there. Now we're waiting in line for a sign that says Tourist Verification Counter. There's a lot of people over here. It doesn't look like anyone's moving. So I feel like this might take a while. Let's start the timer. Current time is 1:37 p.m.
So there are two lines here, and this one, the oyster ferry, is about 75 peso more for foreign tourists. And it's more, but it's also a much shorter line, so we're just gonna do that.
50 please, you have 50 o'clock, thank you.
2 o'clock? Thank you. Let's go.
Alright, as soon as you step inside the building here, you gotta put your bags through a little x-ray, and then it's just pandemonium. Craziness. I think we gotta go that way. Alright, here we go. Now we're being herded with the rest of all of the hundreds of thousands of millions of tourists. I think we're making it onto our boat now. Alright, so we made it on the boat after a crazy, overwhelming process. It actually wasn't too bad. Very quick. What time is it? 2:02. Just over 20 minutes to get in here. Not too bad. Like we said, we bought a ticket for this ferry, which costs 275 pesos with all of the terminal fees, environmental fees, and all those different fees. I think the actual fee of just the boat was 75 pesos. There was another boat that cost less. The other boat cost 200 pesos. I think this one is more expensive because it's faster and more comfy seats. So
I think we're just making up reasons, but truth be told, the line was shorter. So
the line was definitely shorter to get tickets for this one. So we just wanted to come in here as soon as possible.
And we waited for 2 minutes before boarding.
Yeah, we boarded right away, so it was convenient. And also, another thing, a very important thing that I have not mentioned yet, I don't think I've mentioned, is in order to get on the island, you actually need, don't know what's going on back there, but in order to get on the island of Boracay, you actually need a voucher, a proof of accommodation from a hotel or something that is accredited, like a hostel. We actually tried yesterday booking an Airbnb, but the Airbnb was not authorized to give us that document. So if you want to get on the island, you need to book accommodation ahead of time. Big tip, because you might encounter some problems if you try to get on the island and you don't have that accreditation form. So now we're going there. We'll see you on the island of Boracay. Hey, 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 we have made it to Boracay. I was trying to rhyme hey with Boracay. Didn't really work out too well, but that's cool. They have a nice big sign.
Where are going, sir?
Faith Village.
Faith Village is going, okay. Motorbike. No tricycle.
No
more
tricycle?
No more.
We have all these bags. It's okay.
Yes. Okay, man.
How much for a ride there?
It's up to you.
Up to me?
Up to you. No, ikaw taga ko. Ito ang
No tricycles. Why is there no tricycles? There's tricycles right there.
Motorbike. It's only motorbike available. No more tricycle.
No available pa. No tricycle available.
But don't worry, sir. Safety.
Araguno, istorya.
Alright.
Up to you. Nani, bahala saan daw?
That's my bag. What do I do?
So this guy's telling us that there's no tricycles available, which I don't believe him because there are tricycles right there. He says we can make it on the motorbike with our bags, which I don't know. Hold on, wait. This tricycle's right there. The motorbike is not. No more tricycle. This tricycle's right here. What's this?
There's a tricycle.
Yeah, let's go. Go get your bag. Go get your bag.
I think it's more comfortable for us for a tricycle.
We have too many bags for a bike. We're going to Faith Village.
Okay.
How much for 2 people?
150.
150.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is so much more comfortable for us compared to riding with all of our bags on a motorbike. And they were telling us that there's no tricycles available, but
there were so many tricycles.
yeah, there's tricycles everywhere. So I think that's just their tactic to make you just go with them. They automatically just grabbed her bag and started walking away. So I'm missing my bag. Okay, I think we left our bag back there. Hopefully the motorbike men didn't take it from us. Here is my bag. Right on the motorbike where those guys put it. All right, I got my bag and now we're on our way. All right, here we go. We just arrived at our accommodation for our first night. This place is called Faith Village Gardens.
Welcome to our humble abode with only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces.
Woo! So there's a little confusion when we checked in because yesterday we reserved for what we thought was 2 people, but apparently we got a room for 10 people. This is actually the cheapest room they have available. It came out to what, 1,600 pesos per night? So I think we're only gonna stay here for 1 night and then go to the Airbnb tomorrow.
Fair, if we had 10 people staying here, it'd be about $3 a night. So if you have a group of 10 people you want to go to Boracay with, this is the place to do it on a budget.
Yeah, it's not bad too. We have our own private bathroom in here too. Give you a little room tour. Ooh, this is the first time I'm seeing this. Oh, shower with a shower head and a toilet. Wait, let's see. And it flushes. Whoa, living in luxury out here. Wait, Pema, do you hear that?
What?
Can you hear that? I think I hear a party. And that's what happens when you give us too many beds in one room. We have no idea where we're going yet, but we kind of want to spend today not doing much, maybe explore, get to familiarize ourselves with this area a little bit, and then hopefully in the next vlog, we'll probably make a couple vlogs about Boracay with some more information. Today is kind of just the informative how to get here and settle in type of video, but soon we'll be making a video about things to do and things not to do here, so stay tuned for that very soon. I think we're walking to the beach right now, going to station 3, that's where we're staying.
I like how Steven was like, oh, I don't think we're gonna do much today, just like explore and get to see the area and like go to the beach and have some food, edit. I'm like, okay, anything else? Do some laundry?
This happens to be, I think, one of the busiest times of the year. This week is Chinese New Year, so we're expecting a lot of tourists here. Now we're gonna walk down to station 1 to catch the sunset because we heard it's a little less crowded over there. Now you can kind of see the vibe. Here we go. A lot of people out here trying to sell you things. Got food right here, massages. This is tourist central out here. But I really like the vibe. It's nice how this street, I guess you can call it a street, it's just kind of sand. It might be paved under here and the sand just kind of came over. And it's right on the beach too, so really nice. All right, we've been walking down the beach for a while. I think we just about made it to station 1. And there are just so many people everywhere. So I don't think we're gonna be able to find a spot on the beach where there's not a ton of people. So we're just gonna stop here. There's some live music playing behind us, which sounds pretty nice. Sailboats everywhere in the sea. Pema keeps mentioning like 100 times how amazing this sand is.
This is the softest sand I've ever played in.
Yeah, it's such a fine grained sand. It's very nice.
Better than the Maldives.
Ooh, really?
This stuff is like flour.
Does it taste like flour?
Probably not. Probably salty. Wanna try it?
Right.
It's just powder.
Ew.
Salty.
She licked the sand. All right, let's enjoy this sunset.
Wait, is it time to fly?
Ooh, is it?
I think it's time to fly.
You guys ready?
Woo! Let's go.
Let's go. because I tried to take a time lapse. I think I failed miserably because people just kept walking in front of it, and we tried taking some photos. I think we got some good photos, some bangers in there.
These kids kept like going into the shot. We'd move a little bit, the kids follow us, like other people would follow us.
Yeah. This is funny, but it's still such an amazing sunset. The sun is just, it's pretty much completely sleeping now, but that was an amazing sunset.
At one point when you were done taking photos of me, I looked and like an entire group of Asian people just like all got up and walked away.
Yeah, people were taking photos of me taking photos of her. She's also doing some yoga poses, and other people, just strangers, were trying to take photos of her doing those poses. That was really funny.
For the Weibo.
Yeah, for the Weibo. Because we say do it for the Instagram, they do it for the Weibo, which I think is the Chinese social media. So, what do you want to do now?
Second dinner.
Second dinner? I think it's time for second dinner. We're still hungry. All those sunset photos and videos really worked up an appetite. So we came to a place called Jonah's Fruit Shake and Restaurant. And this was actually recommended by Vin. So we have high expectations. How's the fruit shake? Is it stuck to your lip? Oh, hell yeah. We got a banana chocolate peanut fruit shake.
It's really good.
Woo, our food just came.
Finally, real portion sizes for real men.
This is actually a huge portion size. They brought out one plate and I thought that was 2 portions, but nope. That was just one. We got some vegetable curry and some garlic rice. Oh yeah. That's really good. Hey guys, I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I'm gonna end it now. It's now the next day. We actually checked out of that place we were staying in last night with the 10 beds, and we checked into this Airbnb, which is just like a local apartment here off the main road, not too far away from the main road, in Station 2. And this place costs 1,300 pesos a night, so it's a bit cheaper than last night, so that's why we decided to switch. And it's actually cheaper than staying in a hostel for us, because the hostels that were available, there's actually only one hostel available because everything is so booked right now. I think it was 700 pesos per night, so we'd have to each get our own bed because there was only dorm rooms available. So it actually worked out cheaper to stay here because it's 1,300 pesos. So it's like 650 each, and we get a private room, so not too shabby. You guys want to see something funny? I just noticed that there's an air conditioner in this room, which is cool, but I realized usually air conditions come through a window and are taking air in from the outside, but it's just taking air in from this next room right here. It's not actually, there's no air circulation in this whole room. It's very muggy and just wet and moldy in here.
Steve, can I do a room tour?
Yeah, you want to do a room tour?
Yeah.
Alright, it's time for a room tour with Pema.
Hello? Oh, hey, wasn't expecting you. Come on in. I just wanted to introduce you to our lovely Airbnb. It's the best that money can buy on Chinese New Year. If you look over here, you'll see the place where the previous tenants passed away recently. Bloodstains or spaghetti sauce, you make the call. You come over here, you'll see our one television, not to be beat by our second television. Not one but two. And then of course you have our AC unit, which is conveniently linked up to the interior of another room so that we can circulate all this moldy air. Yeah, very nice. We do have a shower. This curtain. Oh look, there's even like a tiny bit of a divot so the water doesn't run all over the bathroom when you shower. It's not bad.
Oh look, it even comes with some mold on the ceiling.
Wow, your very own mold.
Some black mold, that's great to breathe in.
Asbestos. Tastes like lung cancer. Okay, that's really bad. I don't want to be in here very long. But we have a plant. A plant can survive in here, so can we. Oh, it's fake.
The next vlog hopefully will be showing you some fun things to do around Boracay, as today was more of just a random travel vlog. The next vlog I want to make more of a helpful things to do around here, if we find some cool things to do. But for now, we're gonna end it here. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Pema's channel, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.